video is for you. So friends, in this video, we'll talk about 3 things which are relevant to get into investment banking domain, which is necessary to get into an investment banking domain, where IB recruiters do show up, or at least they notice resumes from. So if you want a brand value of IM plus early exposure, this is a gold program for you. 4th, engineers. Friends, yes, you heard it right. If you are in IIT or NIT and learn valuation and financial modeling on site, you can easily get into investment banking role. You will be shocked to know that many ex-engineers are VP in the IB firm. Hello everyone, welcome to this interesting video. Friends, even if you are slightly curious about making a career at the Wall Street, the WallStreet or Canary Wharf, this video is for you. Friends, today we are diving into a burning question which I get all the time. Which undergraduate college or course should I pursue to get into investment banking? So friends, in this video, we'll talk about 3 things which are relevant to get into investment banking domain. 1. Top colleges. 2. Top courses. 3. Skill set which is necessary to get into an investment banking domain. So friends, let's start. Friends, to land a job in the investment banking, especially a front-end role, you need a balance in 3 things. 1. Brand value. Your college name can open a doors to the bulge bracket investment banks. 2. Core finance skills. Core finance skills like financial modeling, valuation, market analysis. These are not optional skills but must to have skills in the investment banking domain. 3. Soft skills and communication. Friends, this is another aspect what IB recruiting firms focus on in the recruitment process. Friends, earlier you start working on these 3 things, the more relevant you will become for the recruiters in the IB domain. Now let's move to the part 1 of this video. Top undergraduate colleges. Friends, let's look at some undergraduate colleges in India where IB recruiters do show up, or at least they notice resumes from. So 1. Delhi University's based colleges like SRCC, Stephens, Hindu or Hansraj. Friends, these are the top colleges in Delhi universities, and these colleges are classical hunting ground for the finance recruiters. 2. IIM Indore IPM program. Friends, this is not an undergraduate program in the traditional sense, but it's a 5-year integrated program. So if you want a brand value of IM plus early exposure, this is a gold program for you. 3. IITs or bids planning. Friends, engineers do break into investment banking not because of their degree but because they are good in the analytical skills. 4th, universities like Christ University, Ashoka. Friends, these are not just tier 1 college, but students with these colleges with the strong finance skills can help you in getting into investment banking domain. Friends, think of a college as a launch pad, not as a destination. So if you are into tier 2, tier 3 colleges, all it means is you have to start building your skills earlier. Be proactive in networking and let your work speak louder than your college name. Now friends, let's move to the next section of this video. What course to pick? Friends, some of the relevant courses which are relevant for the investment banking domain are 1. BCom. This is a great course for the accounting and finance domain, and also this course easy to pair with CA, CFA or financial modeling. 2. Economic honors. A bit of theoretical but strong in logic and analysis. It provides a great base for the research, market and even IB profile. 3. BBA or BDM. Friends, this course is good for people who want an early management field, but you have to substantiate it with a strong finance skills. 4th, engineers. Friends, yes, you heard it right. If you are in IIT or NIT and learn valuation and financial modeling on site, you can easily get into investment banking role. You will be shocked to know that many ex-engineers are VP in the IB firms. Friends, the real differentiator is not the college name or the course title. It is how much you upskill outside the classes. Many students from the less known colleges have made it to the bulge bracket firm just because they have treated their 3 years as an opportunity to build the expertise. So let's get real. College name and courses are just one part of the story. The bigger question is, are you doing enough to make your profile IB ready? Friends, add-on skills which you can work on to make yourself ready for the IB profile. Hand-on skills in Excel, PowerPoint and valuation. 2. Comfort with reading balance sheet, M&A news, investors presentations. 3. Confidence in presenting ideas and structuring financial models. So friends, let's wrap up this video with quick cheat sheet. If you can go to the top DU colleges or IIT or IPM, it's great. You can easily make to the investment banking, that too in the bulge bracket firms. If not, don't panic, because solid course, commerce or economics or even engineering, and start building finance skills early. 3rd, network like crazy. Do internship, join the finance clubs, take up financial modeling assignments, even if they are unpaid initially. So friends, remember, your degree might just open the door, but your skills and hunger are what you keep in the room. All the best.